Now, Prime Minister Modi is going to be in Bhopal for 4 hours on the 15th of November, for which the state government is going to be spending more than 23 crores on this program, and out of which 13 crores alone are going to be spent on transporting people to and from the venue. Take a look at this report.
The sprawling Jamboree Maidan in Bhopal being readied for Prime Minister's visit on the 15th of November, when the state marks Janjatiya Gaurav Divas to celebrate its tribal warriors. The stage is set, 5 domes are being built, massive pandals being set up. Nearly 2 lakh tribals are expected to gather from across the state. The Prime Minister will be in Bhopal for all of 4 hours. And for this 4-hour visit, the state government is spending over 23 crore rupees. Around 12.9 lakhs for transportation, food and lodging of people coming from across 52 districts, and nearly 10 crores for 5 domes, tents, decoration and publicity. A massive tribal outreach. Why? Take a look at these numbers. There are 47 seats reserved for scheduled tribes in the state. The BJP won 29 in 2008. In 2013, that figure increased to 31. But in 2018, out of 47, the BJP got only 16 seats.
और इसलिए मैं आप सबसे अपील करता हूं, 15 नवंबर चलो भोपाल। लेकिन याद रखना, प्रधानमंत्री जी समय पे आएंगे और समय पे जाएंगे, इसलिए समय पर पहुंचना 11 बजे।
The opposition is questioning the expenditure on the program, asking why not spend the money on welfare of scheduled tribes. According to the National Crime Records Bureau, Madhya Pradesh has reported the highest number of cases of atrocities against scheduled tribes at 2,401. It's a jump of 28% in a span of 2 years.
हर पैरामीटर ये कहता है कि आदिवासियों के साथ अन्याय हो रहा है और आदिवासियों के हितों के लिए जो पैसा लगना चाहिए वो प्रधानमंत्री जी आपकी रैली पे लग रहा है, तो कैसे आदिवासियों का उत्थान होगा, ये स्पष्ट करें मध्य प्रदेश के आदिवासी भाइयों।
In Bhopal, the Prime Minister will also dedicate the country's first world-class railway station at Habibganj. It has been developed under a public-private partnership at a cost of around 450 crores. The station is on the same lines as Germany's Heidelberg railway station and will have several features such as segregation of passengers based on arrivals and departures, enough sitting arrangement at platforms, lounges, concourse, as well as dormitories and resting rooms.
यात्रियों के आराम के लिए, वेटिंग पैसेंजर्स के लिए फूड कोर्ट, एंटरटेनमेंट जोन है। हर तरह से ये एक जो है पूर्ण रूप से एक मॉडर्न स्टेशन है, जो कि पीपीपी मोड में पहली बार इंडियन रेलवे की हिस्ट्री में डेवलप किया गया है।
Though many leaders of the BJP, including Bhopal MP Pragya Singh Thakur, has demanded the renaming of Habibganj railway station after former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, the state government has recommended to the centre that the station be named after Gond ruler Rani Kamalapati.
Habibganj literal meaning is a lovely city, as the Begum of Bhopal had renamed the area after being smitten by the natural beauty and greenery of the region. But now the name will be changed, but not after former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, but Gond Queen Kamalapati. And just to add, Madhya Pradesh has the largest tribal population in the country. In Bhopal, with camera person Rizwan Khan, Anurag Bari for NDTV.